Hello everyone, I am Raghu from MLR Learner. I would like to improve our speaking skills. Now we are going to learn about future continuous tense. It shows that an action will be still going on at a certain time in the future. Keywords: while, when, at this time, all keywords of simple future tense, and etc. While, for example, child will be playing while she will be cooking. When, for example, I shall be reading when you arrive. At this time, for example, she will be watching TV at this time tomorrow. Main verb: present participle, that is V1 plus ing is equal to V4. Already we know about them in the present continuous and past continuous. We know that all continuous tense as same main verb, that is present participle. And we know stative verbs don't have past participle form. Helping verb: shall or will and be is added. The simple feature also same helping verbs, they are shall or will, but here be is added in the future continuous tense. Sentence structure: subject plus helping verb plus be plus main verb, that is present participle or ing form, plus object. Here 7 subject pronouns are written. For example, here helping verb is same as we use in the simple future tense. Shall is used with I and we. Will is used with you, they, he, she, it. and added is be. Be is added to that helping verbs. I shall be teaching English next year also. I am adding here keywords also. We shall be teaching English next month also. You will be teaching English tomorrow. They will be teaching English next year. He will be teaching English tomorrow. She will be teaching English next week. It will be teaching English next day. These all are positive sentences. Here I have written remaining forms of third sentence. That is, you will be teaching English. It is positive sentence. Negative sentence is you will not be teaching English. Here we write not between will and be. It changed as negative sentence. Second, you won't be teaching English. Here we added will and not. It is contraction. Won't. It is also negative sentence and same meaning also. You won't be teaching English. These two are negative sentences. Remaining 5 sentences are interactive. There, won't you be teaching English? Here we write won't before the subject, that is you. Won't you be teaching English and add question mark. It is negative question. Will not you be teaching English? We don't write here contraction to will and not. Will not you be teaching English? It is also negative question, but it is not contraction. Third one is as contraction. Both are same meaning. We use them as our convenient. Fifth sentence. Will you be teaching English? Here we don't write not after will. It is positive question. Will you be teaching English? And add question mark, it is positive question. Already we know about answers. There are three types. For example, positive answer yes, you will be teaching English, or yes, or yes, you will. Negative answer no, you won't be teaching English, and no, or no, you don't, you won't, no, you won't. Already we know that better answers are yes, you will, or no, you won't. Sixth one here is added WH question form, that is where. Where will you be teaching English, and add question mark. It is WH positive question. Last one. Why won't you be teaching English? That is WH negative question. We can try to remaining sentences forms also. Here, that means remaining sentences are 6. That 6 sentences we try for practice with the helping of third sentence, and we try to remaining main verbs also. If you try what verbs we are using in the daily life, that is main verb, it is very useful to improve future continuous tense. Thank you.